sound asleep. Sleep's a wonderful thing, wouldn't you agree? Everyone loves to fall into a deep slumber and wake up feeling completely refreshed and full of life. The average person spends 1/3 of their life sleeping. That's roughly 194,820 hours. While it varies from person to person, a sound louder than 40 decibels is more than enough to keep someone awake. However, once the subject is asleep, it can take more than 60 decibels to wake them up. This is just louder than a dishwasher or dryer running if you were seated next to it. Luckily, most things aren't that loud, such as a human footstep. If you were lying down and someone stepped right past you, it would reach about 20 decibels. Or a tapping on your windows, reaching just 10 decibels. Especially something like a blade being drawn from a sheath, reaching just 17 decibels. Oh, I'm rambling. Anyway, sweet dreams.